Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Welcome to Careface CVP. As we say, up there with your help, up there we will be going. But I don't know if you guys want to subscribe to this. This is an emergency in the community. I'm just standing here and I'm looking at the disaster that was caused from a fire. Welcome to Canada. These are the heroes of the day. Big them up. Toronto firefighters saved the day. No one at this moment know what caused the fire, but I can tell you that it caused a tremendous amount of damage. Yes, I'm kind of sorry for the people who actually live in this unit and for the rest of people who are affected. A fire like this don't really affect one person, you know. So that's why I said to people that get some insurance. Yes, that's another way to protect yourself. And another way to protect yourself is to be careful of what you're doing. You know what I mean? There's certain things you don't have no control over. CVP, the latest news on Careface Video Productions. House exploded in North York. The day was saved by Toronto firefighters. I'm saying, please be careful. All right, please. All right, don't cause people to don't have their home because children living in these units. I'm have to go to school tomorrow. I can't go to school because of whatever circumstance. People could have lost their life because somebody could be in the house sleeping and the whole entire block burned down. We don't really like to lose lives them kind of way. I don't know. I think it's too kind of harsh. To each them what they like.
Did they find carbon monoxide in your unit? They didn't.
Well, Toronto firefighters just came and saved the day. Big them up, big them up. But yeah, as I'm saying, please be careful and watch out for yourself and watch out for others. Alright? Remember that this is Careface CVP reporting from the emergency in the community.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.